AI chatbots are transforming the way we work, learn, and connect. Whether you are a student, developer, or business owner, here are the top 5 AI chatbots in 2025 that are truly changing the game. Number 5 is Grok, the go-to for real-time AI. Integrated with X, formerly known as Twitter, Grok delivers witty and unfiltered responses using live data. It is perfect for news enthusiasts and meme lovers who want up-to-the-minute information with a twist. At number 4, Microsoft Copilot is built right into Word, Excel, and Teams, powered by OpenAI's advanced models. It boosts productivity by summarizing meetings, automating reports, and generating presentations in seconds, making it a must-have for busy professionals. Number 3 is Gemini, formerly Bard by Google. Seamlessly integrated with Google Workspace, Gemini excels at summarizing Gmail, creating docs, and managing spreadsheets. If you are deep in the Google ecosystem, this AI is your ideal research companion. At number 2, Claude by Anthropic stands out for its ethical focus. Designed for safety and accuracy, Claude handles massive documents, excels in legal and technical writing, and avoids harmful outputs. Number 1 is ChatGPT by OpenAI, now powered by GPT 4.5 and GPT 4.0. Known for human-like responses, coding help, tutoring, and multimodal abilities, it is a favorite for students, professionals, and creators. So, who wins? ChatGPT for versatility, Copilot for productivity, Gemini for research, Claude for ethics, and Grok for real-time wit. Which chatbot fits your needs? Let us know your favorite below.